Hi, I'm Dave Lennox, and I'm here to talk about your home comfort system. Now, it's not your favorite recliner or the perfect shade of green, but it's something you just can't live without. Your home comfort system is essential to keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. It also helps protect you from allergens and pollutants year-round. Now, how does it do all this? I'll tell you what, let's take a tour through the Lennox virtual home to find out. A home comfort system is made up of 4 major components: a thermostat, a furnace, an air conditioner or heat pump, and an indoor air quality system. Right now, I'll show you how these components work together, and at the end, you can learn more about each in detail. Now we'll start with the thermostat, the command center for your whole comfort system. When the temperature inside drops below or rises above the thermostat setting, the thermostat signals your comfort system to kick on or increase power. Now in the case of the furnace, whenever the temperature gets too cold, the thermostat starts the fan motor so that the system's fan can begin drawing room air through the vents and ductwork. When the air reaches the furnace cabinet, it passes through a filter, air cleaner, or other air quality system. It also moves through a heat exchanger, which warms the air. Then heated air is blown back into ducts and living areas. Now during summer months, the furnace is still working, even though it's not heating rooms or burning fuel. It acts as an air delivery system for the air conditioner located outside the home. So, how does the air get cooled? Well, when the thermostat senses the temperature is too warm, it activates the air conditioner compressor, which pumps refrigerant through a loop of piping that runs between the outside air conditioning unit and indoor cooling coil. Now, as refrigerant passes through the cooling coil, typically installed on top of the furnace, heat is extracted from the indoor air circulating around it. The furnace blower then sends the conditioned air to living spaces through ductwork. Well, that's basically how a home comfort system works. But keep in mind, not all systems are created equal. With a Lennox home comfort system, you can enjoy the highest possible degree of comfort, energy efficiency, and customizable control. And that's something you just can't get from a piece of furniture, no matter how nice it looks. Learn more about Lennox home comfort systems by visiting the product section of this site.